It's undeniable that AI and ML are fantastic at crunching data and handling repetitive tasks. But do they also have the ability to support us in more nuanced, human centric areas? Our next guest will shed some light on the potential of AI powered tools in improving leadership, emotional intelligence, or decision making skills. Please welcome a distinguished expert with nearly 2 decades of experience in both industry and academia. Armed with a PMP certification, Masters in Computer Science, MBA, and PhD in Business Leadership, he masterfully combines academic excellence with practical insight. Teaching at Politechnika Wrocławska, he imparts his knowledge on subjects related to management and IT. Various passions like badminton, swimming, and hiking add a refreshing balance to his impressive professional achievements. Here, you can see Erwin on his dream motorcycle. I give you Erwin Ong.
Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. So you saw me on my dream motorcycle. You know, the funny part is because I'm not tall enough, when I ride that, only my nails are catching the floor. So I need to have long nails in order for me to stand properly. Anyway, so let's start. I welcome you to my talk about AI-powered leadership development. So for quite a while, okay, this example of leaders born or made have been a question that we're asking all the time. Like, for sure, some of you has a leader that you admire. Someone you look up to, right? Like, I really want to be this leader. And then, at some point, you're asking, is this leader born or made? We are asking that question. Well, there's a study from Harvard, okay, from across 80,000 participants with many different multinational companies. And they found out that leaders become dramatically better after their 6 months of leadership development program. So it means that there's a chance. If you want to be a good leader, there's really a chance for you. And the second is, you know, the funny part is we are all asking ChatGPT. And then I tried asking, hey, ChatGPT, are leaders actually born or made? You know what ChatGPT says? Leaders is likely both born and made. While some people may have the natural tendencies that make it easier for them to lead, skills like or other qualities can be cultivated through experience, training, and practice. So ChatGPT is AI, right? So we have heard about AI most of the time. It's the trend nowadays, and you're hearing AI in different technologies. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by both machines and software. So there are a lot of different applications. Like in health, they can actually use AI to identify a pattern based on the symptoms and provide some diagnostics. In addition to that, in energy, they can optimize certain distribution and make the energy distribution more efficient. Another is in terms of commercial. AI can actually help you create the sales forecast. In addition to that, AI can also provide a recommendation or recommend any product to the customer. And logistics and transport. AI can be used for autonomous vehicles, as well as optimization of different delivery and transportation routes. So, according to statistics, 1 in 10 cars will be self-driving by 2030. I'm sure you've seen this in the news. This is the new autonomous car made by Elon Musk, okay? Next, 64% of business experts expect AI to increase productivity, which is better. Another is AI is expected to see an annual growth rate of 37.3% from 2023 to 2030. In addition to that, 97% of business owners believe ChatGPT will help their business. So Is the world ready for Tesla's new domestic robots? This was just last month. Anyone has seen that news? Ah, quite few people. But you you could see Elon Musk releasing their robot that could be used and powered by AI at home. It can help you with household chores, etc. Um, we have also used AI in many different ways. We can use that to respond to texts or emails of your colleagues. You can use that to answer financial question. I myself, I use AI to plan itinerary. You know, hey, ChatGPT, create me an itinerary in Zakopane. So ChatGPT recommended places for me to visit. It can help you craft an email, prepare for job interview, and write whatever post. AI is very powerful. Now, but the question is, can AI really help great leaders? Yes. Humans are wonderful creatures. We can be smart, creative, and kind. But we can be sometimes messy, inconsistent, and imperfect. So think of it, AI is something like Iron Man, wherein you have an exoskeleton with you, and it will give you additional strength, additional power. It can help you intellectually by allowing you to process vast amount of information and make good decisions. AI can help you emotionally, like deepen your understanding of an employee and advise you what is the best path forward. AI can also help you socially, like understanding the team dynamics and how you can foster diverse thinking and create a safe environment for your employees. So there's a Harvard research again um, saying that how AI can make us better leaders. AI can make us better leaders, can make us more human. Okay, that despite its challenges and risks, AI has the potential to catalyze a new age of human leadership. So, however, as great as AI can be alone, it cannot make us just a better leader. You have to do something within yourself. And you have heard about many different AI powered leadership development, which I will talk to you more later. But let's remove the AI part. Let's talk only about leadership development for now. Any leaders here? Can you raise your hand, please? Okay, there are quite a lot. And you know that as leader, how are we being developed by our company? First is there's a set of training structured for us to study, to learn how to really lead properly in our roles. It has been centered about just live training. But now, it's different. Because with just live training, they cannot create a customized learning path for you. But you know, AI can help customize a learning path for you that suits your needs on how you will become a better leader. So it is transforming how we prepare leaders. It will reshape leadership skills, training, elevating our core skills, and introducing new ones. But remember, AI will not make leadership obsolete, but it will compel leaders to work more intentionally on skills that require higher order thinking. So, for leaders, what are your key takeaways on how AI can help you? It can help identify patterns and behaviors on how you can perform better in different roles. It can help you personalize experiences and tailor coaching. It can also help you gain insights into your own performance and behavior. Aside from that, for organization, AI can be used to measure the effectiveness of leadership development initiatives. It can actually be used to identify and develop potential of future leaders. So AI isn't just changing the skills that are a focus for leadership. AI is already transforming how we prepare leaders. In fact, there are a lot of different tools. One of these is this website, FEAI. Okay, FEAI creates summaries with actionable insights. Imagine this. I'm a leader. I have 20 direct reports. I will send them a survey and questions, giving me feedback, and then the AI will analyze it and recommend action on how I can become a better leader. Imagine the power of AI. Second, You can use AI for your next sales pitch. You want to practice your sales pitch? You want to practice for your interview? AI can help you. It can give you recommendation. Okay? It will give you a lot of conversation practice. Next, this talent guard, another tool, okay? It can transform your business in such a way that it can give you 360 feedback. It can help you succession planning. It can help identify potential employees to strategically plan and fulfill future succession planning and talent needs. Imagine that. You have an AI who understands the kind of work that you're going to do in your company, the skills that you need, and the AI will help develop and prepare better leaders for you in terms of how you will have leaders to lead that certain part of your project. Isn't that exciting? That in the future, AI will really transform the way we become a better leader. So now, I think it's time for me to demo, okay? I wanted to show you how AI really actually works. This one, I'm a little bit scared. You know, during conference, if there's demo, sometimes it fails. But I hope it's not. Okay. Hi, Gemini.
Hey there, what can I do for you?
Well, I wanted to talk about my direct reports, and I want to have a difficult conversation with my direct report. Can you help me?
Having those tough conversations can definitely feel awkward. What's the issue you're facing?
Well, he is unable to deliver results. I wanted to talk to him about it. Can you help me?
Okay, that makes sense. It's frustrating when someone isn't pulling their weight. Is there anything specific he's supposed to be doing but isn't?
Well, he didn't deliver the project on time. So how do I communicate properly to him?
Okay, so it sounds like this isn't the first time he's missed a deadline. That makes it a little trickier. How about we try framing this as a chance for him to improve, rather than just focusing on the negative?
Okay. Can I practice what I will say, and can you help me? Give me some recommendation?
Absolutely, I can help with that. Let's start with what you want to say, and then we can figure out how to make it have the biggest impact.
Okay. So that's one sample that I wanted to show you. So actually, if you try that, the AI will help recommend how you will rephrase it properly, will give you points on what to say, what not to say, how to understand your employee deeper, and also it will help you craft a good communication path, a training for you to become a better leader someday. So AI is really exciting. I hope you see the power of AI on how we can leverage AI. That someday, those skills or trainings that we have to be face to face or we have to do the same pattern all throughout, but rather it will be a customized base and a training that will really be suited for your needs. So thank you. That's all that I have to say for today. If you have any questions, please let us know, or you can add me in LinkedIn and we can connect and talk about AI or leadership. Thank you so much.
Now, do we have any questions to Erwin? Over there? Yep.
Okay, Erwin, what do you think about the security? Because you will share with the AI or any other application your personal data information about the company. How you then feel that you are sharing that? And of course, these AI tools are not regulated, not controlled by anyone. So it's like really open for everything. And are you not afraid that later on that could be used by someone to profile yourself there? Okay,
I
thanks.
agree. Thank you. Really good question. Nowadays, we all know that security is a challenge with AI because everyone, we don't know who's going to read that data. But you're correct. One thing I wanted to promote is that in Nokia, we have Nokia GPT, wherein we have our own version of AI, wherein the company told us that if we wanted to use certain questions, rather than putting it in ChatGPT, wherein it's public, we can use our own Nokia version GPT so that the security is much safer. But you are correct. We have to be careful in terms of what we divulge in AI because it can cause some harm which we do not want. So, well, if you don't want the tough conversation to happen, you can just talk about yourself, like how you wanted to grow, what skills you need, and AI will help recommend you. Thank you. Any other question?
Erwin, I have one. I'm here.
Yes.
Okay. We know that the AI at this stage, there have still problems with the hallucination, the bad data that provides you. So once you would like to build the real leader with the big knowledge, with the big power, do you think we are ready now to ask tough questions and rely on the answers from the AI?
Okay. So in terms of building a really tough leader coming from AI, I don't think it is super duper 100% ready right now that you will just rely on AI. AI provide you recommendation, but it's not that AI will be your only solution. But I agree with you. When I did my research, because when I was doing some study on how leadership will grow, as you know, my PhD is about leadership. That's why I'm really curious about topics in terms of leadership. And then on parts where how we can use those recommendations by AI, the good news is some of them are really based on studies. So they provide good recommendation. But it's not that AI is fully reliable, that 100% you'll trust your life full learning with AI. You have to judge it, be fair on what you will get, and then, but using that as a stepping stone, AI is really very helpful. Dziękuję bardzo. Okay, so I think we're finished. Thank you. It's an honor to present to you my topic. Have a nice day, everyone. Enjoy the conference.
Thank you very much, Erwin. It was fantastic.